Alright, this is December 16, 2020, and the time now is 6:15 p.m. It's the first real snow of the year, and I'm at downtown Flushing, where the Flushing Library is. Just trying to find a few Christmas decorations, and here's the information stand right next to the library, and obviously we have this tree right here. It's really nice, well decorated. However, if you look around, that's about it. These two people enjoying themselves, very nice. So as far as I know, there are two more spots that I'm sure there is something. So let's go take a look. The Symphony Con, I think they're closing soon. It's a little bit cold. It's totally unprepared. But let's see if we get something across the street in the New World Mall. Across the street, right in the hallway is what am I talking about? Right down this block, that's Shanghai Yule Garden, and the other one is called Corner 88, Corner 28, I think. Yeah, they have the best indoor dining that's outdoor, so you can check them out. They really try their best to keep the lights on. Let's check out the New World Mall. It's green light, but there's not many cars passing by. Looks like there's a deadlock up there too. Oh my god, what's going on up there? It's all backed up over that way. Look, it's all backed up. Yeah, seems my camera is having a little trouble with moving the camera, but we'll see. If I break my camera tonight, I'm all good with an excuse to buy a new one. Anyway, double R, taking people back home. Let's get in. Okay, this way. I don't think it's gonna work here. Yeah, the thing that asks you to measure your forehead is not gonna work because of the weather. It measures your skin temperature, which is like always low, freezing kind of. This is a J-Mart supermarket, but I'm not gonna point my camera around because they do have some signs saying no photography and stuff like that. So I guess I'll respect that rule. Yeah, anytime you enter this area, it's a private property, so don't cause no trouble. Oh, are these guys closed forever now? This is a hot pot place with a large. Oh, 政府需求. Okay, they have rooftop dining now, so this place is closed, but the rest is on the rooftop. These guys are gone. A lot of these places, I don't know how they stay open even before the pandemic. So if you're telling me that they're gone, the first sign of trouble, I'm not surprised. These guys are saying they will take appointments, but I don't think they will be taking any appointments. I think I was here a couple months ago doing similar filmings, and things changed a little more, even further. Now remember, at this time, all indoor dinings are banned, so these guys are doing takeout. See if we can go upstairs and find out. If anybody asks me, I'll probably just say I'm looking for somebody. See what happens. Hopefully I don't get kicked out.你好，楼上有开吗？没开，关掉，早就关掉了。哦，好的，好的，那算了。哦 ，So, alright, it's closed. 早就关掉了。OK 了。OK. Hey, that's expected. Who's gonna brave the snow just for some hot pot, right? It is what it is. These used to be electronics and repair and random technology stores, and obviously there's no more. Nail salon is still open. I'm surprised. Same with hair. Okay. So they're just telling people to no indoor dining. That's weird. Anyways, let's move out the other exit. Alright, so that's the other side. This is Roosevelt Avenue. Now I make a right turn, and those Christmas decorations across the street at Jambro is a discount store. Those don't count, but very nice. You want to just pick up a very basic tree, then that's where you can go. In case on alright, so we are here right outside Macy's, just past the first entrance, in another entrance up ahead. Now obviously this downtown Flushing Macy's is nothing compared to the Herald Square, but that's our Macy's, so it's all good. Look at that snow. this hot pot restaurant. Gone again. Some of these places, they just, when a business is successful, they stay there for a long time. If that particular spot, for whatever reason, bad location, bad feng shui or whatever, you see the same different business taking that spot over and over, and then that spot is never successful. It's like just keep churning different people trying to get into make a buck. To be honest, I don't think the Christmas spirit is that strong in downtown Flushing, but I know for sure of one place, and we're going there right now. Another place you can go is down the Roosevelt Avenue to Skyview Mall. That's that I'm sure you will find something. I'm definitely not prepared for this. At least I should bring a hat. Man, my hair is all wet and drenched and it's cold. Let's go. The Roosevelt Avenue shopping district kind of ends on Union Street. So beyond that, if between Union to Parsons, there's still a few more shops to the right across the street over that way. But that's about it. Alright. Here it is. I was here last year, and that's how I find out. There's a snow mountain with train tracks, and I think there's a cable car, and on the lower level, lower tier, there's another set of train tracks. It looks like they didn't turn it on yet. They didn't turn it on. That's all I'm gonna do today. So, it's snowing like crazy, pretty bad. So, and I had an umbrella, but it does nothing. Actually gets flipped around and wastes my time. And I also I also should have brought a hat with me. Then my hair wouldn't be as drenched and like icing up in my hair right now. This is nuts. Alright, I mean, you learn from your mistakes, right? So I'll do better next time. And anyways, stay warm. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.